Brees with 6 completions on this drive, being rushed, hit as he threw, and what a grab, but out of bounds. Great effort by Watson,
but an even better effort by Godfrey. This Godfrey's going to use the sideline as his help, and so he's going to force him wide. And that is, whoa, that's close, man. That is really close. Watch Watson. You have to get 2 feet down. There's one and the knee. Boy, that's close. 1 knee equals 2 feet, I believe. Didn't Madden write a book or something like that?
Drew Brees has gone over to the sideline.
One
talked to
foot,
Sean Payton, and Sean Payton is going to challenge.
He should. I think that's going to be a touchdown.